I'm experimenting on maggots growing, and so far we've been able to achieve something. So eventually we're gonna do it on a larger scale to feed the fishes. So right now I'm gonna go around and feed the fish with it. Come on guys, come on up, come here and eat. We got something for you. I'm currently looking at ways that these maggots can be produced en masse and how quickly these can be produced on a regular basis. Maggots, specifically black soldier fly, aka BSF, the larvae can contain a high percentage of protein, typically ranging from 40 to 65% on a dry matter basis. Hi there, welcome back to Fish or Fish Farm. My name is Femi Peters. We're based out in Bejuleki, axis of Lagos State, Nigeria. Natural feed sources like maggots can help reduce the need for antibiotics, as they often promote better immune function in fish compared to highly processed or synthetic feeds. Feeding maggots to catfish helps improve their diet, growth rates, and overall health. If you're new to this channel or you're yet to subscribe, please do consider giving this video a like and kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It all really helps. Thank you very much. Wow, it appears they're loving it. Wow. So I need to find a way to grow this maggots on a large scale in order to cut down on the feed cost. Wow, look at this. I didn't believe they would respond to it that much. This is massive. Maggot to this catfish is a natural food source. Maggots are a natural food source in the sense that feeding them to the catfish mimics what they would eat in the wild. This helps keep the fish's diet more balanced and consistent with their natural feeding habits. And it's also sustainable and cost effective in the sense that maggots can be produced easily and in large quantities, making them an affordable and sustainable option for fish farmers. They're often sourced from organic wastes like, food scrap and animal waste, making them an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fish feed. Wow, this is incredible. They're loving it. They're really enjoying this. This is the reason why I decided, all right, then this alternative will help me to equally lower the cost of buying feed ingredients and producing them. Besides, you can see them how they're eating it naturally. It seems like they love it. So the drive now is for me to try and ensure I'm able to produce this in large quantity. I also found out that since maggots are biodegradable and they can break down easily, feeding them to your fish can reduce the buildup of excess nutrients in the water, which can contribute to better water quality and lower levels of harmful substances like ammonia. Yeah, that's it for now, and I should keep you updated on the progress made as regards this maggot development. And until then, see you later. Thanks for watching.